Every day, thousands of people search for businesses near them looking for services, products, and local information. Google My Business is one of the most powerful tools that can help businesses stand out in local searches and attract more customers. It is no longer just an online directory, it is a complete digital storefront that can significantly impact a business's visibility, credibility, and customer engagement. When properly optimized, Google My Business can improve search rankings, enhance customer trust, and generate more leads. If you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademyoffice.com. The first step in optimizing Google My Business is setting up and verifying a profile. This is the foundation of any successful local SEO strategy. If a business does not have a verified Google My Business listing, it will not appear in local searches and customers will not be able to find important details such as the business address, hours of operation, and contact information. Setting up an account is simple. Business owners need to visit the Google My Business website, enter their business details, and claim their listing. After submitting the necessary information, Google requires verification to ensure that the business is legitimate. The most common verification method is by receiving a postcard with a unique code at the business location. Other methods include phone, email, or instant verification if the business is already listed on Google Search Console. Verification is essential because without it, businesses cannot control or update their listings. Many business owners underestimate the importance of verification, thinking it is just another formality. However, what they do not realize is that an unverified business listing leaves their brand vulnerable to misinformation. Imagine a customer searching for your business and finding an outdated phone number or incorrect address. Frustration builds, and they move on to a competitor instead. Google prioritizes verified listings because it values accuracy and reliability in search results. Verification also ensures that no unauthorized individuals can claim your business listing and make changes that could mislead customers. In a competitive market, being able to control and update your information is a necessity, not a luxury. Once verified, businesses can also access additional Google My Business features, such as insights, customer interactions, and the ability to add engaging posts. Without verification, businesses miss out on a crucial opportunity to establish their presence in the digital marketplace. Once the profile is verified, the next step is optimizing Google My Business with the right categories, descriptions, and images. Choosing the correct business category is crucial as it helps Google understand what the business offers and match it with relevant search queries. The primary category should be the most relevant to the business's core services, while additional categories can highlight secondary offerings. An accurate and keyword-rich business description also plays a vital role in ranking higher in search results. The description should clearly define what the business does, its unique selling points, and why customers should choose it. Including local keywords naturally within the description improves visibility and attracts more local customers. Adding high-quality images further enhances a business's credibility and appeal. Businesses with professional photos receive more clicks, engagement, and inquiries than those without images. Uploading pictures of the storefront, products, team, and customer interactions helps build trust and provides a better experience for potential customers. Visual content is one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, and businesses that fail to leverage are missing out on significant opportunities. Studies have shown that businesses with high-quality images receive up to 42% more requests for directions and 35% more website clicks than those without images. Google's algorithm also favors listings with updated and engaging photos, pushing them higher in local search rankings. The key is to use authentic, high-resolution images that showcase not just products but also the business atmosphere, staff interactions, and behind-the-scenes moments. A restaurant, for example, should upload pictures of delicious dishes, cozy seating arrangements, and happy customers enjoying their meals. Service-based businesses can include images of their team at work, completed projects, or before and after transformations. Regularly updating images signals to Google and potential customers that the business is active and evolving, leading to higher engagement and trust. Managing customer reviews and leveraging the question and answer section is another critical aspect of Google My Business optimization. Reviews significantly influence a business's reputation and search rankings. The more positive reviews a business has, the higher its chances of appearing in Google's local pack, the top 3 business listings displayed in local search results. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews and responding to each review, whether positive or negative, shows credibility and commitment to customer satisfaction. Addressing negative reviews professionally and resolving customer concerns can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. The question and answer section allows potential customers to ask specific questions about the business, and business owners should actively respond to provide accurate information. Regularly monitoring and updating these sections ensure that customers receive the best experience. Many businesses focus only on collecting reviews but forget the critical aspect of responding to them. A well-managed review section serves as a powerful customer engagement tool and can significantly impact a business's reputation. Responding to positive reviews with appreciation encourages customer loyalty and word-of-mouth marketing. Addressing negative reviews professionally shows potential customers that the business values feedback and is willing to improve. A customer who leaves a negative review might be frustrated, but if the business owner responds with understanding and a willingness to resolve the issue, it can turn the situation around. Additionally, reviews contribute to keyword relevancy in local searches. If multiple customers mention a particular service or product in their reviews, Google starts associating those terms with the business, improving its ranking for related searches. Business owners should also use reviews as an opportunity to gather insights about customer experiences, identifying strengths and areas for improvement. Google Posts is an underutilized feature of Google My Business that can significantly boost engagement. It allows businesses to share updates, promotions, events, and announcements directly on their listing. These posts appear in search results, making them an excellent way to communicate with potential customers in real time. Posting regularly with engaging content, high-quality images, and clear calls to action can drive more traffic to the business. Whether it is highlighting a special discount, announcing a new product, or sharing an upcoming event, Google Posts keep the business active and relevant. Businesses that use this feature consistently tend to rank higher and attract more local customers. A powerful yet lesser-known strategy in Google My Business optimization is Google stacking. This technique involves creating and interlinking multiple Google properties such as Google Sites, Google Docs, and Google Drive to enhance the authority and visibility of a business's listing. By strategically stacking these assets with relevant keywords and business information, a business can improve its search rankings and increase credibility in Google's algorithm. Google stacking essentially creates a web of interlinked Google-based content, which signals to search engines that the business is highly relevant and authoritative in its industry. While this requires expertise in local SEO techniques, implementing Google stacking can give a business a competitive edge in local search results. Another essential aspect of Google My Business optimization is ensuring consistency across all online listings. Search engines value uniformity, and any discrepancies in business information can negatively impact search rankings. Business name, address, phone number, and other details should be consistent on all platforms, including social media profiles, business directories, and the company website. Even minor differences in spelling, abbreviations, or formatting can create confusion and reduce trustworthiness in Google's ranking system. Regular audits of online listings ensure that all information remains accurate and up to date. In addition to optimizing business information, businesses should also utilize attributes and additional features available in Google My Business. Attributes allow businesses to showcase special features such as free Wi-Fi, wheelchair accessibility, outdoor seating, and more. These details can enhance customer experience and help businesses stand out. Google My Business also allows businesses to list services, menu items, and products, making it easier for customers to find detailed information without visiting the website. Fully utilizing these features enhances the completeness of a business listing and improves its performance in local search results. The final stage in assuring success over the long term is to monitor, and analyze the insights provided by Google My Business. The information that Google gives on how customers locate and engage with a business listing is extremely significant. Businesses are able to better identify their target demographic and enhance their marketing tactics by analyzing metrics such as search queries, profile views, website hits, phone traffic, and requests for directions. Regularly monitoring these insights enables firms to determine what aspects of their operations are successful and to make any required improvements in order to enhance their performance. The use of Google My Business is an indispensable tool for any local company that is interested in enhancing its online presence and attracting a greater number of clients. It is possible to achieve greater search ranks, enhance visibility, and improve consumer engagement by optimizing a Google My Business listing in the appropriate manner. It is important to pay attention to every detail, from the process of creating and confirming a profile to optimizing it with the appropriate categories, descriptions, and photographs. The management of customer reviews, the utilization of Google Posts, the utilization of Google stacking, the maintenance of consistency, and the tracking of insights are all factors that lead to a listing that is properly optimized. If you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content.